Hey, what's up? This is Ngozi. I'm here to talk about this product right here, Eleotin Ma5. I found this secret ingredient, this secret gem in the middle of my fire department academy training. Everyone's getting sick, we're all on top of each other. Started taking this bad boy in the first couple weeks and noticed immediate relief, even quicker than my other coworkers. So ever since that, I've been taking this every day to make sure that my immune system is really going well, especially in the winter. And this winter I haven't received a cold yet, no cough, anything like that. So highly recommend Eleotin Ma5 if you want to keep yourself in tip-top shape with your immune system and not worry about, the typical winter blues everyone goes through. So thanks.